The final section we're going to add is called Media Gallery, which is a media grid that expands to a full screen slideshow. When you add it, it will show some default images. Let's change the first image by clicking on the Edit Media button on the top left corner. Drag the new image and drop it right here. If you want to add a video, make sure you switch to the Video tab before dragging the file. If you want a caption to appear below the image, you can add it right here. Let's replace the second and third image. And then click on this plus sign to add a new row. You can then click on the plus sign on the right to add a new column. So I'll keep adding some rows and columns, and then I'll replace all the default images. Great, now each image within the grid can be resized using the plus and minus buttons on the top left corner, which will also affect the other images in the grid. And you can delete an image by clicking on the trash icon on the top right. Now let's click here to open the section options where you can set the width to narrow, wide, or full. And we can also change the colors. I'm going to choose the same background color as the previous section. Let's preview the story. Click on Resources in the navbar and scroll down to the Media Gallery section. If you hover the cursor over an image, it will zoom in a bit, and if you click on it, it will open in a slideshow. So you can use the right and left arrows to go to the next or previous image. The page is ready to be published, and we'll do that in the next video.